Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to count numbers in thok nath or in your language. Well, apart from thok nath words and phrases, it is also useful to count in thok nath language. This is how you can count numbers from 1 to 10 and also zeros, or from 0 to 10. Okay, let's start it. This is kel, reu, diok, nguan, diech, bakel, barrow, badek, bangwan, well. This is well and bang. Okay. Kel mean one in English, and two mean here two in English, and this is three. Okay. 4, this is 5, and this one is 6. Okay, and this is 7, and this one is 8, and this one is 9, sorry, 9, and this one is 10, and this number is 0. Okay. Kel, reu, diok, nguan, diech, bakel, baro, badek, bangwan, well, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. I'll repeat it again one more time. Kel, 1, reu, 2, diok 3, nguan 4, diech 5, bakel 6, barrow 7, 8, badek 8, bangwan 9, well 10, bang 0. Okay, that's how you can count numbers in Nuer. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.